Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 4th of April 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. Which of the following does not belong to the 8 core industries? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is chemicals. So recently combines index 8 core industry increased by 5.8% as compared to the index of February 2021. So basically it stood at 137.1 for February 2022. So basically the 8 core industry include coal, crude oil, natural gas, refinery products, fertilizers, steel, cement and electricity. So the 8 core industry comprises 40% of weight of items included in the index of industrial production. Okay, so now question number 2. Who organized the national conclave on beeswax production? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is both A and B. So recently the National Dairy Development Board and National Bee Board collectively organized a national conclave on production of beeswax. So it was supported by the National Agriculture Cooperative Market Federation of India Limited and the Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited. So the objective of the conclave is to create awareness about the high value beekeeping products like beeswax, pollen, royal jelly, bee venom and etc. Okay, so now question number 3. Which PSU recently commercialized the Vindhyan Basin? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is ONGC. So recently ONGC to commercialize Vindhyan Basin in the Madhya Pradesh for gas production, making it ONGC 8th basin and 9th production basin in India. Okay, so now question number 4. The 5th Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sector Technical and Economic Cooperation Summit will focus on what? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is towards a resilient region, prosperous economic and healthy people. So recently the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has participated in the 5th Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation Summit through a virtual mode. So the summit was hosted by the government of Sri Lanka, which was the chair nation of Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical Economic Cooperation. Okay, so now question number 5. The government of India has launched a new central sector, raising and accelerating MSME performance. What is the scheme overall budget? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is USD 808 million. So recently the scheme called Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance is a World Bank assisted central sector scheme to improve the performance of micro, small and medium enterprise. So it would commence in financial year 2022 to 2023. So the total outlay for the scheme is 6062.45 crore. That is USD 808 million. Okay, so now question number 6. Shaktikanta laid the foundation stone of the Learning and Development Center of Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited at which place? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Mysore. So recently the Governor of Reserve Bank of India, that is Shaktikanta, has laid the foundation stone for the establishment of a Learning and Development Center of Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited in Mysore in Karnataka. So basically the Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited is the wholly owned subsidiary of RBI. Okay, so now question number 7. Who was a new Director General of the International Labour Organization selected recently? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Gilbert Hongbo. So recently the Gilbert from Togo will be the next Director General of the International Labour Organization. So he was elected by the UN agency governing body comprises representative of government, workers and employees during their meeting in the Geneva. So basically he was a former Prime Minister of Togo, will be the 11th head of the agency and first African to hold the post. So basically his 5-year term will be begin on October 1st in year 2022 and the current Director General, named as Guy Ryder from the United Kingdom, has held office since 2012. Do you remember? International Labour Organization founded in year 1919. Okay, and its headquarters situated in Geneva in Switzerland. Okay, so now question number 8. Who was recently named chairman of the Broadcast Audience Research Council of India? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Shashi Sinha. So recently the Board of Broadcast Audience Research Council India has elected IPG Media Brand India CEO, that is Shashi Sinha, as a new chairman. So he was take over the Punit Goenka, who served as the chairman of the TV Viewership Measurement Agency for the last 3 years. So Sinha was also represent the Advertising Agency Association of India as its board member and has played a key role in formation of the Broadcast Audience Research Council. Okay, do you remember the Broadcast Audience Research Council founded in year 2010 and its headquarters situated in Mumbai, and the name of CEO is Nakul Chopra. Okay, so now question number 9. Which bank recently invested rupees 109 crore in the National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Bank of India. So recently the Bank of India announced rupees 109 crore investment in the National Asset Reconservation Company Limited. So in a regulatory statement, the bank stated, "We thus announce that on March 21st, 2022, the bank invested rupees 108.81 crore in the National Asset Reconservation Company Limited under preferential share issue." Okay, so now last question. According to the Reserve Bank of India, banks reported fraud totaling how much fund? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is rupees 34,000 crore. So recently, according to the Reserve Bank of India data, in the 9th month ending in December, so basically 96 indices from fraud were recorded by 27 scheduled commercial banks and financial institution totaling rupees 34,097 crore. So basically Punjab National Bank has the greatest amount of fraud at rupees 4,820 crore, while Bank of India has the highest number of fraud. Okay.